Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a free Cydia source with GitHub. Creating a free source with GitHub is a bit complicated, but in this video it will be as easy as you want it. If you search on YouTube for a way to create a free source, you will find hundreds of difficult and complicated methods, but in this video I will make it easy for you. The first thing you need to do is create a new GitHub account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. Okay, I already have an account, so I will log into my account. Okay, now here go to options here. Now here choose your repositories. As you can see here, I already have a source, but I will create a new source. Now here click on new button to create a new source. Now here write your source name. You can write anything you want. This will be the name of your source, and this is the source that you will add to Cydia. Okay, as you can see here, if you want the source name to be like this, then type your source name with the same name as the owner here. Then add github.io, so your source name will be like this. I've already created a source with the same name as the owner, so I will choose another name. Make sure to choose github.io and not github.com. Now here choose public. Now click create repository. Now you will continue to set up your source with GitHub app. So you need to download GitHub app and then install it. After downloading and installing GitHub app, log into your account. After logging into your account, refresh this page. Now press set up in desktop. Now GitHub app will create a new folder. Okay, here save the folder anywhere you want, but don't delete this folder because it's important. Okay, I will save it to the documents. Now press clone and wait a few seconds. Okay, now minimize GitHub app. Now open Finder, go to documents. As you can see here, GitHub app created this new folder. This folder is important, don't delete it. Now we have finished the first step, now the second step. Now you need to download this file which contains all the files you need. After downloading the file, extract it here. Now you will get these files. Okay, as you can see here, now you need to move all these files to the new folder you created with GitHub app. But before moving these files, you need to edit some data in these files. In the first folder here, you will find the zip files. Of course, this is just a test tweak that does nothing. You don't need to edit anything here. Now here, change the image to the image you want. This image will be your source image. Be sure to choose the appropriate size, which is 75 by 75 or 120 by 120. Now here you need to create a new index.html file. It's easy and simple. Just open this file. This file will contain your source link and your source image. Here you need to change the name and the link. Okay, now right click on mouse or double tap on touchpad. Now here choose inspect. Here make sure you are on element. Now click on the first option here, then choose edit as HTML. Now copy this entire code. Okay, now open text edit app. Now paste the code here. Now here change the title. Just type your source name here. Also type your source name here. Type your source name here too. Now here put your source link. Write the name that you wrote when you created this source. Okay, now save this file as HTML. Just click save. Now here change the name to index. Also make sure to change txt to HTML. Now click save. Okay, here choose use HTML. Now move this file to the folder that you previously downloaded. Now here click replace. Now open the HTML file to make sure it works. As you can see, it works successfully and the source name has changed. Now you need to edit packages file. Okay, double tap on packages file to extract the file here. Okay, now delete the compressed file. Now open packages file with text edit. Now here you need to edit this data. Here write your name or your source name. Here write your source name also. Here write your email. Here write your source name. And here write your email again. Now save the file. Now you need to change the packages file to bz2 file. To do this, open terminal. Now in terminal type bz2 space. Now drag and drop packages file to the terminal and press enter. When you press enter, the packages file extension will change directly to bz2 file. As you can see guys, packages file has been changed to bz2 file. Now here edit readme file. Just open it with text edit. Okay, here write your name. Write your name here again. Now click save. Now here you need to edit release file. Open it with text edit. Okay, here write your name. Write your name here again. Here write your source name. Now click save. Now you need to edit the last file, which is the repo file. Just open it with text edit. Now here write your name on Twitter or put your account link on Twitter. Here I'm using my Twitter, so I will not change it. Here type your source link that you created. Now click save. Okay, now copy all these files and put them in the new folder that you created with GitHub app. As you can see here, no files in GitHub app. Okay, now I will copy these files and I will paste them in the new folder that I created with GitHub app. Now go back to GitHub app and you will find a new changes. This is all the files that we need. And now you will upload these files to your source. Now here in summary, type updated. Now click on commit to master and wait a few seconds. Now here click on publish branch and wait a few seconds. It may take about a minute. Now minimize GitHub app. Now go back to your source page and refresh the page. Okay, now I will refresh this page. Okay, as you can see here, this is all the files that you uploaded with GitHub app, and this is all the files we need. Now your source is almost ready. Now you need to publish your source to master branch. Just go to settings here. Now scroll down and find GitHub pages. Okay, here choose master branch. Okay guys, as you can see here, your source has been published successfully. Now you can access your source through this link. Just open it. As you can see, everything is working good. Okay, now all you need to do is add your source to Cydia. Okay, let's jump to Cydia. Okay, now here go to sources. Now here type your source. Okay guys, this is my source. Okay, now wait a few seconds. As you can see guys, this is my new source. And this is the test tweak that I uploaded with GitHub app. Okay, now I will try to download this tweak. As you can see, everything is working good. This tweak of course does nothing, just for testing. Okay guys, in the next video I will show you how to upload any tweak you want to your source. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.